Good morning. Fuckface, what's it going? What you up to, bro? Bro, that fucker upgrade me to the kitchen manager real gin. So that means more money and more honey. Yeah! Judge that I have a plan. I need that restaurant. And that's what fuckhead must do. Bro. What I have to do now? Jughead. I want to buy the restaurant, bro. And make it the big deal in this town. Tell your girl every day to get the mayor to sell it. You just want to make money every day. Remember that. We have a big bus load of family. That's true. We have Jughead, that's me. Jellyface, Phi Bean. Envy, me glad. You see it, Breda. Lime. I need a spliff. Bean. The boat soon duck on land. Yes, Lime. General the Outlaw. When the hot gal moving in. They just do your thing. Yes, Lime. Lime. Yes, Dread. Little more. Ira. Easy day 2 DM. Amen. Feel like yam. Some steamed pop chow. For that, to bumbo jumbo. Wrong house, my girl.
Good morning, Bob Marley. I'm looking for Dan Dan.
My girl. The Lime. Don't want no pork feet.
No, really.
Wrong house, my girl. Are you deaf? Bean. Put you that. Tell her for what. You lucky gal. Him in a kitchen empress.
Thank you, Gully Bob.
Empress, you have climbed a mountain yet?
No, I think I should.
Yeah, do that. And jump off quick. No, let nobody see.
Whatever. Sizzla Kalonji.
The end. To be continued.